Now let's start colors name. Yes बच्चों, colors name start with colors. This is a blue color. This is a yellow color. This is a pink color. This is a red color. This is a green color. And this is a orange color. And this is a yellow color, purple. Now let's start counting with blue color. Blue color. We start counting. This is the 1. Seven, 8, this is a 8, 9, and 10. Then